So, for customer research, my favorite place to search is groups. For example, camping in Nova Scotia. I'd like to go on the groups and just see what people are asking. Right, this person who wants to go to Cape Breton, but weather. Uh, they're really worried about the weather, and they're staying. And then here people are commenting. Right, you want to see what their problem is. You want to see what solutions people give, are they proper or not, and based on that you will be creating your content, right? Here what people write, I just go farms in Nova Scotia that offer camping. You see agritourism, if you have any farm around, right, it's a good place to. Here people asking questions. I'll put everything that is connected to what is your offer. I would put it in the document, and just based on that, on most asked questions, I would definitely, people are wondering different things. How can I travel in this way, and where can I stop? And then people would comment, and you can see different solutions, and then you would add solution that maybe be missing, or solutions that would be actually useful for them. They're here asking specific camping, asking about pets. That's another thing we would be considering. And yeah, this would be a full document of different stuff. So they want to do some kind of camping, right? And definitely, you want to be, as if allowed, you want to be posting useful content in groups like that too. So you get attention of those people, and they might um, camping outdoor enthusiast, provide information, share experiences. So some of your posts you want to be posting here so that people get to know you, and this is another way of advertising your business actually for free, right? So this is just the idea. I would just go through all the concerns that people have. I would put them in the document, and based on them, and on what I know with in communication with my past customers, or leads, or people that came and asking me, I would create that form of what people false believe, what people concerns are, and what their actions been, and what would we want to educate them about, right? So I wouldn't be doing it here, but I just encourage you to go through some of the posts and to compile a document with them, and based on that we'll come up with kind of condensed version of that. um, you can search for other groups like that. It doesn't have to be in Nova Scotia, it can be at other places, but definitely Nova Scotia could be the best. The closer to home the better, and the more precise. So have a look, and hopefully it helps. Bye.